dem roten.
No, fang the guitar.
In this little old orchard shack. And his name was Jackson Taylor, but we all called him Applejack. And old Applejack was loved by everyone he ever knew. And Applejack picked apples, but he picked the banjo too. Play a song for me, Applejack, Applejack. Play a song for me, and I'll sing. Play a song for me, Applejack, Applejack. Play a song, let your banjo ring. I'd go down to Applejack's just almost every day. We'd sit and we'd drink Applejack that old Applejack had made. Then he'd take that banjo down and then he'd ask me if I'd sing. He would play his banjo and I'd play my tambourine. You pick one with me. Play a song for me, Applejack, Applejack. Play a song for me and I'll sing. Play a song for me, Applejack, Applejack. Play a song, let your banjo ring. I don't guess I'll ever pick it. Go in there. I know Grandpa Jones, Applejack, and they're nice anyway, right? Thank you for the sympathy. That's when I was just a kid, and now that I am grown, all I have are memories, 'cause old Applejack is gone. Oh, but he left me his banjo, and it always takes me back. And every time I play it, I still hear Applejack. Clap your hands with us. Play a song for me, Applejack, Applejack. Play a song for me.
Chciał pistacją, bo już budem roten.
No, fang the guitar.
Ja byl džus zlatko, vašem přátelé. Nevěříte tomu, co vidíte na vlastní oči.